Welcome to the Dr. Fauci channel, where we uncover the timeless secrets of Japanese longevity to help you build unbreakable legs. In the culture of Japan, strong legs are considered the fundamental roots of a long, healthy, and completely independent life. As we age, the decline of leg strength is often the first domino to fall, leading to lost freedom forever. Science tells us that without proper stimulation, our lower body muscles naturally deteriorate rapidly once we pass the age of 50. However, the Japanese have perfected simple daily habits that keep them walking, squatting, and moving freely well into their 90s. Today, we will guide you through 7 specific methods derived from their lifestyle to restore the power of your legs. Let us begin with the first powerful technique, known as the resting squat, a natural posture we have unfortunately forgotten. In modern society, we rely heavily on chairs, which causes our hips to tighten and our leg muscles to weaken. The resting squat is not an exercise, but a natural human position that fully opens the hips and decompresses the spine. For centuries, people spent hours in this position, maintaining incredible flexibility and strength in their glutes and quadriceps without effort. To perform this, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and slowly lower your hips down as far as you can go. It is crucial that your heels remain flat on the ground to properly stretch the calves and protect your knees. If you cannot go all the way down yet, hold onto a door frame or heavy furniture for support and safety. Beyond muscles, this position aligns your digestive tract, aiding in elimination and reducing bloating, a common issue for many seniors. Try to hold this position for 30 seconds daily, breathing deeply to allow your lower back muscles to release tension. This static hold engages the quadriceps isometrically, building endurance strength that is vital for standing up from chairs or toilets. Listen to your body carefully. If you feel sharp pain in your knees, stop immediately and try a shallower depth. Consistency is key. Over time, your ankles will become more flexible, allowing you to sink deeper into the squat comfortably. Regaining this ability allows you to interact with grandchildren on the floor and perform daily tasks with renewed ease and confidence. Now we move to the second critical exercise, the single leg balance. A simple test that predicts your future longevity. Studies show that improving your balance can reduce the risk of hip fractures from falls by up to 60%. Balancing forces your brain to recalibrate its position in space, sharpening the neural connections between your mind and muscles. Stand near a wall for safety, then gently lift one foot off the ground, keeping your supporting leg slightly bent. Notice the small micro movements in your ankle. These are your stabilizer muscles waking up to protect you from future falls. Aim to hold this position for 1 minute on each leg, which is equivalent to walking for nearly an hour. For a greater challenge, try closing your eyes, which forces your inner ear and proprioception to work much harder. Putting your full body weight on a single leg also stimulates bone density, helping to fight against osteoporosis effectively. You can easily integrate this into your routine by practicing it while brushing your teeth or waiting for the kettle. Ensure your hips remain level and square to the front. Do not lean your upper body to compensate for weakness. Mastering this skill ensures that uneven sidewalks or slippery floors will no longer pose a terrifying threat to your safety. Our third method comes directly from martial arts, the horse stance, or kibadachi, known for building immense lower body stability. Spread your legs wide, double shoulder width, and sink your hips down as if you're straddling a large horse. This is an isometric exercise, meaning you build massive strength without moving your joints, making it incredibly safe for arthritis. It targets the inner thighs and glutes, muscles that are often neglected but are essential for pelvic stability and balance. Keep your spine perfectly vertical and your chest open. Avoid the common mistake of leaning your torso forward. You might feel your legs shaking after a few seconds. This is a positive sign that your muscles are adapting. Start with holding this stance for just 10 seconds, and gradually work your way up to 30 seconds as you strengthen. This posture also strengthens the pelvic floor muscles, which is vital for bladder control and core stability in later years. Ancient warriors used this stance to become immovable objects, and you can use it to build a foundation of steel. When you finish, stand up slowly and gently, shake out your legs to restore blood flow and relax the muscles. Next, we explore the art of sampa, or mindful slow walking. which transforms a simple walk into a profound exercise. Unlike rushing to a destination, Sampa focuses entirely on the quality of each step and the sensation of the ground. Land gently on your heel, then consciously roll your weight forward through the arch and push off with your toes. This rolling motion acts as a pump, significantly improving blood circulation from your extremities back up to your heart. Focus your mind on the sensation of the soles of your feet, awakening the thousands of nerve endings located there. This practice improves dynamic balance, teaching your body to maintain stability while in motion, which is crucial for preventing stumbles. You do not need a large park. You can practice this mindful walking back and forth in your own living room. Coordinate your breath with your movement. Inhale for 2 slow steps and exhale for 2, creating a meditative rhythm. This meditative approach not only strengthens your legs, but also lowers cortisol levels and reduces high blood pressure effectively. Move as silently as a cat. If your footsteps are heavy and loud, you are not controlling your weight distribution. Our 5th technique targets the calves, often called the second heart of the body, through simple heel raises. Your calf muscles act as a powerful pump to return venous blood from the lower body back to the heart. Regularly exercising these muscles helps prevent dangerous blood clots, varicose veins, and uncomfortable swelling in the ankles and feet. Stand holding a chair for balance, then lift your heels as high as possible, putting weight on your big toes. Pause at the very top for 2 seconds to fully contract the muscle fibers before slowly lowering back down. Control the descent carefully. Do not simply drop your heels, as the lowering phase builds the most strength. Aim to perform 3 sets of 10 repetitions daily, a small investment that yields massive returns for your circulation. If standing is too difficult, you can perform this while seated, placing a heavy book on your knees for resistance. Strong calves provide a spring in your step, making walking feel effortless and reducing fatigue during long outings. You will notice that climbing stairs becomes significantly easier as your calves gain the power to propel you upward. The 6th method is the wall squat, the safest way to build endurance in your thighs without stressing your lower back. By using the wall for support, you remove all strain from your spine, allowing you to focus entirely on your legs. Slide your back down the wall until your thighs are parallel to the floor, ensuring your knees are above your ankles. You do not need to go deep immediately. Start with a shallow bend and work your way down as you get stronger. You will quickly feel a burning sensation in your thighs. This is the feeling of your muscle fibers strengthening and growing. Challenge yourself to hold the position for as long as possible, aiming to beat your own time by a few seconds daily. Strong quadriceps act as shock absorbers for your knees, significantly reducing pain from arthritis and preventing future joint damage. When you cannot hold it any longer, slide back up and walk around to flush the lactic acid from your muscles. This is an excellent exercise to perform while watching your favorite television show or reading, making the time pass quickly. You have now learned the 6 pillars of leg strength, but we have one special bonus technique for your spine. Our bonus method is the dead hang, a simple act of hanging from a bar that offers miraculous benefits for seniors. Gravity constantly compresses our spine, but hanging reverses this process, creating space between your vertebrae and relieving back pain. It also builds grip strength, which medical studies have identified as a key biomarker for overall longevity and heart health. Hanging opens up tight shoulders and improves your upper body posture, combating the hunchback look associated with old age. Simply grab a sturdy bar and let your body hang freely, relaxing every muscle except for your hands. If you cannot support your full weight, keep your feet on the ground and gently bend your knees to stretch. Aim for 30 seconds of total hanging time each day, which can be broken down into smaller intervals if needed. After hanging, you will likely feel taller, lighter, and looser, as if a heavy weight has been lifted from you. These 7 methods, from the resting squat to the dead hang, form a complete system for a resilient, ageless body. Remember, Rome was not built in a day. Start slowly, listen to your body, and celebrate small victories along the way. The secret of the Japanese centenarians is not intensity, but consistency. doing a little bit every single day without fail. We would love to hear which of these exercises you find most beneficial. Please share your experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching Dr. Fauci. Please subscribe for more health insights and start your journey to stronger legs today. Let's quickly recap to ensure you remember. The resting squat opens your hips and maintains your ability to rise easily. The one-leg balance is your daily shield against falls, sharpening the connection between your brain and your stabilizing muscles. The horse stance builds immense isometric power in your thighs and glutes without causing any wear and tear on joints. Slow walking turns movement into meditation, improving your circulation and teaching you to control your center of gravity perfectly. Heel raises keep your second heart pumping strong, preventing swelling and ensuring blood flows efficiently throughout your entire body. The wall squat allows you to safely push your muscles to their limit, building the endurance needed for active living. And finally, the dead hang keeps your spine young. From all of us at Dr. Fauci, stay strong and healthy. End of video. We will now expand on additional lifestyle factors that support these exercises, ensuring you get the maximum benefit possible. Exercise alone is not enough. You must fuel your muscles with adequate protein like fish, eggs, and plant-based sources. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein, so we actually need to consume more than younger people. Vitamin D from sunlight and calcium from food are the building blocks that keep your leg bones hard and unbreakable. Hydration is often overlooked, but water is essential for producing the synovial fluid that lubricates your knees and hips. Your muscles do not grow while you exercise. They grow while you sleep, so ensure you get quality rest nightly. Daily self-massage of the calves and feet can reduce stiffness and improve the effectiveness of the exercises we discussed. The Japanese tradition of soaking feet in hot water before bed helps relax tight muscles and promotes deeper, restorative sleep. Wear shoes that provide a wide toe box and proper arch support to allow your feet to function naturally. Whenever safe, walk barefoot at home to allow your toes to spread and your foot muscles to work without restriction. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial, as every extra pound of body weight places 4 pounds of pressure on knees. Be mindful of your posture throughout the day, not just during exercise. Stand tall with your weight evenly distributed. Never sit for more than 1 hour at a time. Set a timer to remind yourself to stand and move. Whenever possible, choose the stairs over the elevator, even if it is just for 1 or 2 flights. Hobbies like gardening are excellent for leg strength because they involve constant squatting, reaching, and carrying light loads naturally. Consider joining a walking group, as the social connection will keep you motivated and consistent with your exercise routine. Keep a simple journal of your exercises. Seeing your progress on paper is a powerful psychological tool for motivation. Learn to distinguish between the good soreness of muscle growth and the sharp pain of joint injury. Never ignore pain. Adopt a positive mindset. Believe that your body is capable of getting stronger at any age, because it absolutely is. Chronic stress tightens muscles and increases inflammation, so practice deep breathing to keep your body in a healing state. If the deep squat is too hard, place a low stool or yoga block under you for safety and support. Tight ankles often prevent a good squat, so warm them up by rotating your feet in circles before starting. To further challenge your balance, move your arms around or touch your nose while standing on one leg. Standing on a pillow or foam pad creates an unstable surface, forcing your leg muscles to work twice as hard. Once comfortable in horse stance, try slowly shifting your weight from one leg to the other to build dynamic strength. Holding a light weight close to your chest while in the stance will further engage your core and back muscles. Walking backwards slowly helps improve coordination and targets the hamstrings and glutes in a completely different way. Add a high knee lift to your slow walking to strengthen the hip flexors, which are crucial for lifting feet. For those who need more challenge, try performing heel raises on one leg at a time to double the resistance. Doing this on a step allows your heels to drop lower, providing a deep stretch that increases muscle flexibility. Placing a stability ball behind your back can make the wall squat smoother and engage your core stabilizers more effectively. Raise your arms overhead while squatting to improve your upper back posture and increase the intensity of the hold. While hanging, gently twisting your hips from side to side can help release deep tension stored in the lower back. If your grip fails before your back stretches, use wrist straps to help you hang longer and get full benefits. Exercise is always more fun with a friend. Find a partner to challenge and support you on this journey. Always spend 5 minutes warming up your joints with gentle movements before attempting any of the deeper squat positions. Never skip the cool down. Gentle stretching after your routine prevents stiffness and helps your muscles recover much faster. Drink a full glass of water immediately after your session to replenish fluids lost through sweat and aid recovery. Consider Tanaka-san, who at 80 years old regained the ability to hike her favorite mountain by practicing these squats daily. Or Kenji-san, who used the horse stance to cure his knee pain and now plays soccer with his grandsons. These stories prove that it is never too late to start. The human body has an amazing capacity for regeneration. Try to perform these exercises first thing in the morning. It sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. You can also integrate them into chores, like doing heel raises while washing dishes or squatting to load laundry. Discard the no pain, no gain mentality. Gentle, consistent effort is far superior to intense workouts that cause injury. Always consult with your physician before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have pre-existing joint conditions. Support your training by eating calcium-rich foods like leafy greens, almonds, and sardines to keep your bones dense. Collagen is the glue that holds your body together. Consider bone broth or supplements to support your tendons and ligaments. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and walnuts are powerful anti-inflammatories that help reduce joint pain and stiffness. Minimize sugar and processed foods as they cause inflammation in the body that can make joint pain much worse. Spend 20 minutes outside daily. Natural sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which is essential for muscle function. Understand that your mind and body are connected. A strong will builds strong legs, and strong legs empower the mind. Your goal is not just to exercise, but to enjoy many more happy years with your loved ones without being a burden. Imagine having the strength to travel the world, explore new cities, and walk on beaches without fear or fatigue. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now, today, this very moment. Squat, balance, stance, walk, raise, sit, and hang. These 7 keys will unlock a future of vitality. We sincerely thank you for investing your time with us today to learn about caring for your precious body. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends and family who might also benefit from these techniques. Don't forget to press the like button and leave a comment below telling us which exercise is your favorite. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will dive deep into the dietary secrets of the Japanese centenarians. Thank you for watching Dr. Fauci. Please subscribe for more health insights and start your journey to stronger legs today.